Welcome to 7th Queen. In this video we are going to learn how to install Kleo and its default demo, Community. First, we'll need to upload the Kleo.zip that you got from your Theme Forest download. After the installation, we need to activate the theme. Now we are going to Theme Addons. We are going to activate the child theme and its needed plugins. Remember that the child theme is used for any custom change that you are going to make to the Kleo theme. There are two ways of installing the plugins. You can do so at this page, or you can do it at Appearance, Install Plugins. Here is where we are going to install the demos. Now let's go directly to install the plugins. For the community demo, I'm going to use the following plugins. Now I'm going to show you the other way of installing the plugins, like after the installation of Kleo. If you encounter any issue with any plugin, you just need to click again at the Install plugin and you will see that it will say Deactivate plugin. That means that it's correctly installed. Now we are going to import the community demo. To select the home page, we're going to Settings, Reading, and at Static Page, we're going to select Home Community as front page. This is how the demo looks right now. Now, to set up BuddyPress to have groups, message, and friends, we're going to go to Settings, BuddyPress, and select the features. Now, we're going to set up the pages. You should have the members, activity, and group pages selected, but we need to set up the registration ones. At General Settings, you're going to click anyone can register and save the changes. Now you should have the registration and activate pages at Settings, BuddyPress. Something you should always check is the permalinks. At Settings Permalinks, make sure they are at post name. Now we're going to import the menu. You just need to go to Appearance Kleo Demo, and then scroll down to the bottom to find the Advanced Demo import. You select Menu at the drop-down and click Import. Now with the menu imported, we need to add the My Account links and BuddyPress account links. Let's go to Appearance menu. We need to add Kleo and BuddyPress sections here, so we're going to the top of the screen, add Screen Options, and check Kleo and BuddyPress. Now we're adding the BuddyPress groups, activity and members pages to the community menu section. Now we're adding the Kleo special elements, which includes My Account, Login, Logout, Register, Live Notifications, and Live Messages. You can add icons to each menu item. Now we're adding BuddyPress menu items to the My Account, so we can have all the items at the My Account menu. These are speed options that will help you optimize the speed of your website. This is where we choose the search context. We are going to select that we want the search font to only search for members and groups. Now the styling changes are made using the customizer, so you need to check it out if you want to change the colors of the theme. The side menu can be used as a mobile menu or with the primary menu. You can select the options here. You can also select the type of icons that you want to use at the profile menu. If you want to hide the black bar that appears here, that is WordPress default admin bar, you can do so at Misc Options and Admin Toolbar. The WordPress redirection is important if you want your users to log in and be redirected to a welcome page, WordPress default login, or reload to current page. This is where we're going to add the social media links. And here is the set of Facebook login and Facebook comments. You will need to create a Facebook app, following the tutorial here. If you follow the tutorial, you will see that it's very easy to create a Facebook app and start using it at your website. And here is where we're going to add the app id. To update theme, you will need to use your ThemeForest username and ThemeForest API. Here are the options to export and import theme options. Now we're going to save change and see how the profile looks. As you can see, the profile is empty, so we will need to add profile fields by going to Users and Profile Fields. We can add anything we want. For example, I'm going to add favorite food. Now to use the profile fields, our users need to go to Edit and then select the profile field and click Save. This is how our profile looks now. As you can see, our profile has become a link. If you click it, you would see other users that share the same. Now we're going to change the footer widgets. You can do so at Appearance Widgets. If you have rtMedia activated, you should be able to add media to your profile. But first, we need to select the options. We're going to rtMedia and Settings. Select BuddyPress and check the options that you want to use. Also, don't forget to set the privacy settings. Now we're going to set up Paid Memberships Pro plugin. So we're going to Appearance, Install Plugins, and then install Paid Memberships Pro. First, we need to set up the membership pages. So I go to Memberships Page Settings. You can easily generate them if you click at this link. Now let's create our first membership level. We're going to create two levels, one for free and one for $5. The free one is going to expire after 14 days. Now let's see how does it look. For the $5 one, we are going to disable some of these options. As you can see, the basic one has all the features, so we're going to disable some of the features. You can do so at Team Options, Memberships. We'll make the basic one to be the popular level. Now, we will see that Basic is the popular level and has only a few features, so it's not full access. You could create a VIP memberships with all the features that doesn't expire. Also make sure that you have selected your payment gateway. At Memberships, Payment Settings, you will be able to select which payment gateway you want to use. I'm going to use PayPal. To make sure that you are going to receive payments, you need to set the payment gateway to live production. Also, do not forget to add your gateway account email. Now I'm going to show you how to edit the revolution slider settings. Just go to Revolution Slider and select the pen icon at the slider. You can change the style, the text, and anything you want. Now we're going to slider settings. We're going to change the look of the arrows, hide the slider and the mobile, and other options. You may want to hide the slider at mobile phone if it doesn't look correctly, so we're going to use it at Layout Visual Mobile and select Disable Slider on Mobile. To select the blog page, you can create a page or go directly to Settings, Reading, and select Blog. To edit the homepage, you will need to use Visual Composer, so click Add Backend Editor. You can edit it or select any item and change its options. This was a tutorial to install Kleo and a community demo. Thank you for watching and see you at the next tutorial.